Hey everybody, it's Kevin Pryfgel here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2018 JK Unlimited Wrangler in the Sport model. This is a Rocky Ridge lift kit, which is a 3.5-inch suspension lift. This has the oversized wheels and tires, the big old 37-inch Mickey Thompson tires on it. Again, this is a Sport. This is featured in black. The stock number is 28340T. This has power locks and windows, automatic transmission, air conditioning. We'll cheat real quick and look at the window sticker here. This also has the deep sunscreen glass. It has Apple CarPlay availability and also Android Auto. It also has the 7-inch touchscreen radio with the technology group. Also gets you a Sirius XM radio for 1 full year. Again, it's the 8-speed automatic transmission. Also has a trailer tow and heavy duty electrical group. This also has the rear wiper, rear washer, which pretty much standard on your Wranglers. Very beautiful vehicle if you like a nice little lifted Jeep. Fun to drive. This also has that rear backup camera added. This has a new version of the running boards from Rocky Ridge. Very fun vehicles. We sell these based on the fun factor. This also has the 3-piece removable hardtop. Again, this is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sport, featured in black, stock number 28340T. If you have any questions on this beautiful Jeep Wrangler or any beautiful vehicle you've seen on the lot, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Pryfgel from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck. As always, thanks for the opportunity and have a beautiful day.